What it do? But I know y'all hear that Hellcat in the background. You know, we Mopar forever, baby. Rolling. Yeah, man, I got another video coming here from Backyard Bonsai. Yeah, we got you what you call super clippings, baby. Look at that clipping right there with you. See how I let all that water soaked up in that root? See how green it is right there? And this different color right there. See, I'm making this root accessible for moisture, see? And it's going to naturally generate roots more faster. I have been soaking in water now for maybe about 3 days, 4 days. And it's about to dry out, so I'm going to start planting these bad boys. Don't you see that one? Then I got another super clipping. See that super clipping? See how much green it is down where I had it soaking in the water? This is that trick to get you a real mature bonsai from scratch, from just a clipping. See how big that clipping is? I'll give y'all a perfect example of a super clipping. Look at that bad boy. Now that's what you call a super clipping, baby. We finna make bonsai history, you hear me? Look at that thing. Now I'm gonna show y'all cats how I really do this thing. I really don't do this because I don't want everybody to know what time it is with me. So there's some things I'm gonna just share with y'all, man. Y'all comment, man, and just say, well, I'm gonna try it, Hall, and see how it worked for me. You know, you could just go, say for instance, to any Lowe's or anything, somebody might have some bonsai trees, and just grab you a clipping, make sure it's a big one before you buy it. And see, that way you always start out mature bonsai. See, and that's a trick to it right there, baby. That's all it is. You hear me? I'm gonna put it in a little soil. I know y'all seen me put it in soil, but see, that ain't the thing right now. I'm trying to show you the super clipping. The super clipping. See how much they'll come out the pot right there? So I'm gonna throw a little soil on it. Most time I don't mix it with all my perlite and my other mixture. I just use mainly Miracle Grow. Yeah, show y'all how to just put it together. Just a quick plan of some super clippings. I just want to get it down on that, the part that's wet. Let it sit in the water real good, pack it down real good. Just sprinkle it again. It's Miracle Grow. Be about that much sitting at the pot. You can't go wrong, baby.